What are you going to be for Halloween tomorrow? What are you going to be for Halloween?
I'm going to be a Halloween witch.
A Halloween witch, a scary witch, or a nice witch? Nice witch.
And this is how I'm going to look. This is how I'm going to look.
Oh, I like that hat. That looks good.
Here you go, Parker.
You're on film. I'll put it on the blog and then you guys can watch it. Who's that, Kaden?
Ellie.
Who's that? Yeah.